What's up? Right now, right here with Grish X or whatever. So today, something very special came in the post today, which is the silver play button, which Shaan has been waiting for literally for 2.5 years, and he's worked so hard for it. I've called his YouTube team and his best friends,
and we are planning a big surprise for him. He's on his way from work.
So it's literally been like 1 hour and we're still waiting.
He's not answering our call. I don't know where is he.
I'm waiting for his reaction. I want to see his reaction. When I told him you get a silver play button, he was very excited. But since then, he's waiting for this to come, and finally he arrived yesterday.
He's here.
You guys, he's here.
What's up, Shaan?
Okay, it's not my birthday. I didn't have a great day on set. We have something very, very special for you. And check who is here. So someone. Oh my God! Finally got it! Yes.
Open it.
Oh my God! I've been waiting for this for so long. And finally got it! I am so excited. Finally, after 2.5 years, and I still remember when Abhishek was telling me there is a silver button when I started my YouTube channel. I had no clue what silver button was because I just want to be a YouTuber, and my whole aim was an award which is true purely because of your subscription. Ram bhi hai, because of him we worked so hard. He has been my assistant for so many years. It is actually beautiful. This makes me so happy. My God, my first award, my first YouTube award. I'm the first celebrity makeup artist in Bollywood who has a silver button, which means a lot to me. So next is 100 million, guys. I don't think it's very far if you guys are there to support me. Thank you for all your comments. I read it all the time. So guys, I have never done a Q&A and I have been really scared to do one. It has been a fantastic journey with you guys. Finally, I got my little baby. So my whole YouTube team and my family has been telling me, Shaan, do a Q&A, and they organized it. I haven't seen any questions. I'm really excited. I'm born and brought up in Germany. I am a South Indian. My mom and dad are Malayus. And I live in Mumbai since last 8 years, and before that for 4 years I was living in Delhi. I did my makeup and hair school from Pearl Academy, Delhi. So my aim in life definitely is to live life to the fullest. I started my first job at the age of 11. My first job was cleaning the house in Germany. So for me, any job, if it gets me bread and butter at my home, I'm very happy. Why I see life so positively is because I am so blessed with 2 hands, 2 legs, a brain, not maybe really big, but a small brain, eyes to see, nose to smell, mouth to speak, ears to hear, so I think I'm really blessed. I don't run right now a makeup class, but very soon you guys are going to come to know on my social media something crazy is coming. My career started actually quite long back as a designer. And by mistake I did makeup and hair, so I could say as a designer maybe 18 years, I was very young, and as a makeup artist it has been now 12 years. The best thing to work as a Bollywood makeup artist is definitely you travel the whole world, you are definitely seeing a lot, and every day you learn something crazy. Life is wonderful, love is unbelievable. Hello, having a real recognition from you guys, this is pure real award to me for a lot of sleepless nights. Living your life is happiness. Living your freedom is happiness. I would say for Indian weather, if it's extremely humid, use less makeup. That's the easiest way. Otherwise, I would say use the best setting spray. To stop foundation from looking cakey is the easiest way is definitely have a powder puff or a wet sponge with you all the time. How to get rid of dark circles? Orange is the best for Indian skin. But good sleep also helps, lots of water, and definitely use a good night cream. How to reduce pimples? Guys, trust me, good diet, lots of water, clean towels, good face wash, good night cream. These are the best things. And make sure you go clean your brushes. For all the makeup artist lovers out there, I would say Estee Lauder Group of Company has the best range of makeup stuff, like it has matte, heavy brown. So I would say respect the Estee Lauder Group of Company first. For open pores nowadays, you have so many creams which reduces the pores and takes the oil away. And there is also a really nice minimizer of Mac. In what state of mind? Definitely I want a break. I've been working non-stop. I take a good 2 months break where I can sit home, not travel the world, sit and spend some time with you guys while working on my YouTube channel. My favorite form of practice definitely is and will always be Sri. How I met Jackie was, the first time was during a fashion cover which we did, it's almost 10 years before. Working with Jackie, you guys can definitely see she pushes me a lot. The reason today I am on this social media platform, YouTube, is definitely her because she supported me 100%, so it's always fun and you guys see it. A memory which is really close to me is her best friend is Huda and Mona, our Huda Beauty, so definitely surprising me to go to Huda's office and meet her and spending time with her was definitely one of our big achievements as a makeup artist. I am totally single, guys. It is so funny. There are so many questions about it. I'm totally single. If you guys follow me on Snapchat and Instagram and all the other platforms, you guys will understand why I'm single, because I work 24/7. A lot of people have been asking the same question, how I am so positive, happy, energetic, full of life. Guys, what I would say is, I get up in the morning, I always think I'm so blessed. I have a roof on top of me. I'm blessed that I have a mom. I see good in everything. I cannot see bad. I never complain. If I see a smiley face opposite to me, for hyperpigmentation, you guys have to check your vitamins, what is needed in your body. I would say that is the most important. Go to a good doctor and ask what is my favorite kajal right now is the Estee Lauder group of Smudge Proof Kajal. It's really good. I really like the MAC. Oh, I love you too, Pavitri. How to get a really nice blow dried or voluminous hair. If it's an open hair, definitely you guys can use good hair products to get the volume or back combing, which you guys can see in my last video also short. Otherwise, if it's an updo, make sure you guys don't use a conditioner, nicely shampoo it and do an updo where it is. A lot of people have been talking about my backpack. I have a lot of backpacks, but my recent backpack is from New York. The vlog is coming very soon. It's designed by the designer who designs for every mindset changes, every goal changes. I would say right now in my life, I just want to be a billionaire who can conquer the world. This is the funniest question. This kind of questions I have been hearing and seeing a lot. Are you a virgin?
Are you a virgin? Are you a virgin?
Shut up.
I was so busy last 2 months, guys. I was working back to back. That's why I'm really sorry if I don't reply to you. But guys, trust me, I always read your comments and I'm going to be back on all the platforms in 2 months.